The MagRipper is a collapsible tool designed for loading and unloading AR magazines. It's compatible with all 5.56 and 223 ammunition. It works with both Canadian and US stripper clips and can load up to 8 loose rounds at a time. The MagRipper also features an AR takedown pin punch. To use the takedown pin punch, ensure the MagRipper is in the closed position. Line up the punch with the takedown pin and press firmly. First, make sure the MagRipper is in the open position before fitting it onto the magazine. Reference the graphic for correct orientation. Next, make sure the MagRipper is firmly seated. It should fit snug when mated with no lateral movement. Hold the assembly so that the concave end of the magazine faces away from your body. Insert a 10-round stripper clip into the charge arm and press down firmly with your fingers, not your thumb. Ensure you are supporting both the magazine and the loader with one hand while pressing down on the rounds with the other. It is best to push close to the primer end of the rounds, as indicated by the text on the charge arm. Before inserting another 10-round stripper clip, flick the assembly to remove the depleted clip. Repeat as necessary. When loading loose rounds, ensure the rounds orient themselves such that the bullet ends are tilted slightly upwards. If the rounds are tilted down, you may induce a failure to load. Close the ball arm of the MagRipper onto the base, but keep the charge arm deployed. Grasp the MagRipper firmly in one hand while supporting the loaded magazine with the other. Make sure the magazine is oriented such that the bullet end of the rounds are facing the ground. Press the unloading tool onto the second round in the magazine as close to the primer as possible. The first round should fall freely from the magazine. Move the MagRipper from side to side, ensuring the unloading tool is always engaging the second round in the magazine. It's best to move the unloading tool laterally rather than tilting or pivoting it. The unloading tool is sized and shaped specifically to break the spring tension without allowing it to insert too far into the magazine. Like any tool, the MagRipper requires practice in order to become proficient. If you are having difficulty with any of the operations, try adjusting your grip and leverage points until you see an improvement in function. It may take up to several hundred rounds to become proficient with unloading in particular.